Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we're going to be unboxing the August PreCuts Classic Quilt Box. So if you're new to the PreCuts Classic Quilt Boxes, they are from PreCuts Quilt Shop, and I will put a link on where you can get those in the description box below the video. The boxes run $55 each per month, and they have two different ones. They have a classic one, which is what I'm going to be unboxing, and then they have another one that is a stash builder that is just all fabric. I've gotten their stash builder in previous months, and it's amazing. But let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this month's box. So they all come with a little insert here that tells you a little bit about it. There's also some coupon codes on the back of this. So this one has a coupon code for 25% off your order, and then also free shipping on orders over $25, and those coupon codes are on the back. They also come with a monthly block, and I'm going to try and show you the block because it kind of has the patterns. So here it is. It's block number 7. Now I didn't get the July box. They had some maintenance issues on their website, and their website was down for a little bit. So hopefully you guys got block number 6 on your in your July box. I didn't get the July box, so I can't show that to you. So let's go ahead and look at some of the fun products in this month's box. I think it was kind of worth the wait because there's some really good things in here. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the small things first. So this is just a friction erasable marker. It's their fine line markers. It retails for $2. I buy mine in a set, so I have a full set of these. They come in all different colors. I got the pink one in my box. I'm assuming they kind of gave you different colors in your boxes, but as you can see, it's a really nice fine tip, and it is a marker. And then this little tip on the end is actually the eraser, so you can go ahead and write on these with, well, I use these actually when I'm doing my pattern writing because I can write them out, erase them if I need to change things. But you can also use these to mark lines on your quilts with. Just make sure if you are going to use these for quilts, they will come off with your iron, so you can mark your quilting lines and then iron it when you're done and it'll come off. If you wash it after that, the lines won't come back. If you don't wash it and your quilt gets cold or you put it outside, like I have one I gave to my grandma and it was in her kind of entryway, and I didn't wash it because it was just a little wall hanging and my lines came back. So make sure you wash your quilts if you're going to use these on the fronts. If you use them for your seams and things like that, then nobody will ever see them, so it doesn't really matter. But friction pins are one of my faves and I use these all the time. So this box actually features poppy cotton fabrics and a pattern, which I love poppy cotton. If you guys know, they have some of the best fabric out there. So the pattern that comes in this month's box, so this is their Riveters Girls Quilt pattern, and the pattern retails for $12. It's really cute. She has information on a couple different ways that you can make this pattern. You can use a jelly roll, a layer cake, and then some extra yardage to finish it off. The pattern finishes at 68 by 78, so it's a good size pattern, and it is just so cute. It features all kinds of fun little blocks. It's almost kind of like a sampler quilt, but it's organized around this fun center panel right here, which looks super complicated. However, it's actually a panel. So the panel retails for $17.32. Is that right? Gosh, that's what this thing says, $17.32, which seems like kind of a lot, but it is a really good size panel. So I'm going to try and show it to you. If I can back up far enough for you to see it. So here is what the panel looks like. It's a really good size panel, and it has all of these fun things around the outside. So it looks like you did a lot of work, but you didn't. And then it has the really cute logo for Farm Girls Unite in the center. And let's just look at some of the edging on it because it's just really cute. And I know you guys know I love poppy cotton fabric. I work with it all of the time, and this panel is just absolutely adorable. And I think it just makes the center of the quilt so much more fun. And then plus, I mean, it looks like you did a lot of work, but you didn't. So this is really cute. And then you can do all of the outside blocks to finish off the quilt pattern. So this panel is a little bit expensive. Hopefully that's right. Sometimes they have typos on their inserts for their things, so I don't know. But so this panel is 36 by about 44 or 45. I found a couple different sizes on the internet for you, but it is a nice good size panel, and it does retail for $17.32. So the next thing that I got in my box here, and this is why the PreCuts boxes are one of my favorites. This is a full layer cake. This is $58 retail. It includes 54 pieces of it, and it is the Farm Girls Unite fabric by Poppy Cotton. And it says the designs in this collection are a mixture of flowers found around the farm, images of life on the farm, bandana prints, geometric designs, and so many eclectic florals that work so well together. The color palette ranges from pinks, reds, yellows, to all shades of blue and green. There are 4 quilts designed for this collection called Amazing Grace, United We Stand, Flower Power, and Strawberry Fields Forever. Really fun, pretty yellows. And then they've got some whites. There's some pinks in here. I love this daisy print. It's probably one of my favorites. And then they've got some really pretty reds as well. So this collection is just so much fun. Here's kind of the end roll so you can kind of get all the colors together. But yes, I absolutely love this fabric, and poppy cotton is one of my faves, so I'm excited to see this. And like I said, PreCuts is never stingy on their fabric that they put in their boxes. You always get full jelly rolls, full layer cakes, full, you know, whatever they put in, they definitely make sure that it's a lot. And this is a solid layer cake of fabric. Now it does say in here that some of you may have gotten jelly rolls, so some may have gotten the layer cakes and some may have gotten jelly rolls. So if you got something different in your box, that's probably why. But either way, I'm super happy to see a ton of fun fabric. And then last but not least is this super cute tin sewing box or snack box. This retails for $12. It looks like it measures at 7 3/4 by 5 3/4 by 2 3/4, and it says it's the perfect storage case or snack box. And they did put some of my fabric in it, so it came like that. It opens up kind of like an old school tin lunch box, and then it has this cute little handle on top. And then it's got this on the back, and then the sides are this fun floral print. Now, I will say that the only thing I was kind of bummed out with on this month's box is that this box came in this really cute bag. Okay, so the bag is super cute, and I actually love getting my boxes in these because I can turn right around and use these for gift bags, or if I'm sending away giveaways for you guys. So I love that. However, for this specific one, I think they really should have sent it in a box, because I don't know if you can tell here, but my box actually came damaged. So it's got a bunch of bends in it, and I actually tried to kind of pop them back out, but there's a bend here. So what that means is that my box actually doesn't snap shut. So even if I try to clip it shut, it won't stay. There's nothing I can do. I've tried to, you know, bend it and whatever, but it just won't click. So unfortunately, my box is it's still really cute, and I am gonna probably put it in my sewing room, and I might even, you know, put some things in it. I could also set it up, or, you know, something like that, and put stuff in it, but unfortunately it doesn't stay locked. So I am bummed out that they sent it in that bag this time. Normally I would love that, but this time I think they probably should have used a box, because unfortunately mine got damaged, and hopefully yours didn't. Hopefully yours came just fine, but I guess maybe our mailman's a little bit on the rough side, and this was kind of squashed when I got it. So that's everything that came in this month's box. I'm looking at their insert here, and it says plus shipping and handling, which was $8.85. This total box value is actually $110. So this was a really good box value. I think really the majority of it obviously is the fabric. So the panel was $17, and then the fabric was $58. So that's the majority of your box value right there. So here's everything that came in my box this month. I'm super happy with it. I think it was really cute. I just wish my tin wasn't like folded and damaged, because that kind of made it a bummer. But otherwise, I'm super happy with everything that came in here. And then the best part about this video is I do have an entire one of these boxes to give away to one of you. So to enter to win, make sure first of all that you're subscribed to my channel, and then second of all, make sure to leave a comment below and let me know your favorite thing about fall. Like, what are you looking forward to the most about fall? I apologize if you're watching this video from like the Southern Hemisphere. We do need to keep this video to US and Canada only, and so that's just for shipping purposes, so I apologize. But leave a comment below regardless, letting me know what your favorite thing about fall is, what you're looking forward to most. I think my favorite thing about fall is the cooler air. It's not super cold outside. It's kind of like sweatshirt weather, so it's kind of snuggly, but still not like freezing outside. And then of course I love all the warm fall drinks like pumpkin spice lattes and warm tea in the evenings and just stitching in front of the fire. Anyways, that's my favorite thing about fall. Make sure to leave yours in the comment below, and I will pick one of you guys to ship out this fun price to. So thanks so much for joining me for today's video. As always, if you like it, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. You can also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the fun. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. But either way, these boxes always have such great value in them. But either way, these values always have values. Drink is. Let's do like, I'm thinking coffees, teas, ice water. But I would actually, so to enter to win, make sure you're a subscriber on my channel, and then leave a comment below. What should we say? Oh, letting me know